Hi guys, my name's Kyle from Lyman Products. Coming at you today with a quick overview video of our Vantage Point pistol compensators. These pistol compensators are made of 70-75 aluminum, made right in Fort Wayne, Indiana, using USA sourced materials. We have a line of rail mounted, but also light mounted compensators. The light ones in particular are a patent pending design that integrates with either a Surefire X300 weapon light or a TLR 7 sub from Streamlight. Really cool design here. For example, this is the X300 with the Glock compensator. Attaches the same way as your light regularly would. So this allows you to keep the weapon light in the same place. All your holster compatibility is going to be relatively unchanged. Some guns more than others. But a really cool design to get around certain state laws. Certain states don't require threaded barrels, so these are 50 state legal. But also for people who can run threaded barrels, sometimes cleaning pistols, it's a little bit of a chore. With a comp, you have to either break Loctite, retime, re-Loctite. This is a simple on and off. So this is actually the RXM. We have a regular light on here. You're literally going to just replace these screws, replace these rails with the comp body itself, and then you're good to go. The other cool aspect of these things is they actually do reduce recoil quite a bit. With our testing, it's been around 20 to 30%, but more so on some calibers than others. I will tell you from experience, the Glock 19 definitely shoots a lot faster, a lot flatter with the comp attached. But something like the Glock 23, which the Glock comp also fits, you can really start to notice a difference. This is kind of a snappy gun, and with the comp, it's a lot smoother. So again, rail mounted and light mounted. You do have your traditional rail mounted ones that are just slide onto a rail with a set screw. We have one here with the Beretta PX4. So this is your standard rail one. You're just going to slide it on and secure it with these two set screws. We also have, like I mentioned before, a couple models with the TLR 7 sub. So the comp body actually replaces the mount from the light, and you're able to then utilize, again, most of your similar holsters. For example, if we put the comp on the Glock 19 here, got a number of holsters here. This is just a regular light bearing tier 1 concealed holster, nothing special. It's even going to work in your duty holsters. Cool thing about this, and some police departments have been interested in it, is it also does work kind of as a standoff device. So if they get into a struggle or something like that, if this gets pressed up against whatever, they're still going to be able to defend themselves and pull the trigger and have the gun function. But again, still works in all your regular duty holsters, and then some more of your concealed options as well. And then as well as if you're using something like a Filster floodlight, you're even able to then, holster pretty much every single gun we have in the line. Couple more guns, different models. SIG P365X Macro. We have both a rail mounted and a light mounted version for that. Beretta PX4 full size with the light mounted comp, for example, there. Also have a rail mounted one. Your SIG P320 M18 and M17 series, both rail mounted and light mounted models available. So we have a couple of those right here. And then as well as some guns we don't have on the table, the Archon Type B, and Vantage just came out with the CZP-10C as well as the Smith & Wesson M&P series comps, both rail mounted and light mounted. $150 MSRP, which we think is really aggressive in this space. You have a lot of other non-threaded barrel type compensators on the market. The difference here is you're not changing out anything internally. So you're not changing out recoil springs, you're not changing out barrels. Your gun is going to cycle the exact same way. You're not messing with that at all. You're simply just adding the comp onto the end and then getting the benefit of the gases escaping through the port. So we think it's a really aggressive price point for somebody who's looking to maybe get into comped guns, especially for carry. The way that they designed these was really meant to be streamlined with the guns themselves so that, again, you don't have issues with holster compatibility or things like that. So really cool product here. We're gonna be the exclusive distributor of these. And if you're looking to get more information about these or just to purchase, lymanproducts.com or any of your Lyman dealers, you should ask them. They should be able to get it for you as well.